Hello guys, today I'm reviewing the Higole 2 Pro tablet. It's perfect for watching dramas and movies. The Higole 2 Pro is a Windows 11 tablet designed for industrial use, and it's packed with features like a triple card slot and an SD card reader. It's perfect for multitasking and enhancing work efficiency, with its 128 eMMC storage, 8GB DDR for memory, and up to 2.4 GHz Intel Celeron and 4020 processor. This tablet can handle any task you throw at it. It comes with a Type-C charger and cable, has a super long battery life, and the brightness is adjustable. The screen is very responsive to touch and it's compatible with a keyboard and mouse. Plus, it's got Windows 11. Don't miss out on this versatile and efficient tablet. Higole 2 Pro is your perfect companion for work and entertainment. You can get the product from the link in description on AliExpress by -45% discount. Enjoy folks. See you next review product.